Okay, so anyone having any idea where we um, left the class? Means what was the last class we have done?
So in the last class, we have discussed about inventory management, value
Mhm.
updating, stock overview, goods receipt, goods movement like that.
Okay, so we are going to look into the inventory IMG settings, right?
Yes.
Okay, so basically we have seen all the basic points of inventory management. So in that last we are looking into the moment type. Okay, so like in your purchasing document, your document type will control the uh, like the field selection and the other things it was controlled by the document type. Here by the moment type it will control the field selection. Okay, and it will also control if there will be any accounting document will create or not, and what will be the GL account. So everything will be decided or controlled by the moment type. Okay, so moment type is the control function of this goods movement. Okay, now let's see what is the configuration for inventory management. So we'll go to SPRO, the reference IMG. Here we have to go to material management. Inside the material management, we will go to inventory management and physical inventory. Here we have to go to number assignment. In the number assignment, we are having here define number assignment for accounting document. Okay, click on this one. So first, here you have to see uh, the financial accounting document type. Okay, so here you can see the document type. Here you can check for WE. Okay, here this is for the goods receipt, and here you can see there is a goods issue, and here you can see there is a inventory document is there. So we'll go to WE, go to details. Here you can see the number range is 50. If you want to change the number ranges, you can go to number range information, and here you have to enter the company code, go to interval. Okay, here if you want to add some interval also, you can add it. Okay, and here if you want to add the if you want to add the interval for the new year also, you can add it. Okay, just select this one, go to edit, insert year. You can insert a year for the, let's say for 2025. You can next insert for the same number in same everything same, just you have to add a new year over there. Okay, so this is basically the number range for accounting document. Let's go back. So here also you can see some of the control functions, like for which type of things we can be able to do the goods receipt. Okay, goods receipt document type. So here for asset we'll be able to do it. For material, for GL account, we'll be able to do the goods receipt. Okay, so vendor stocks and your customer stocks, we will not be able to do the goods receipt. Okay, because this vendor stock and customer stock, that will come under your let's say consignment kind of process will be there. It will be coming under that. Okay, now let's go back. So same for here, you can see for the WA is for the goods issue. You can go here. Here you can see the number ranges. Okay, and if you want to change it, same process, you can go here. Okay, now let's come back. So same with the WI also. Here also it will see the 49 number ranges. So if you want to change it, you can change it also. Okay, so now let's go back. So now here you can see financial accounting. Okay, number ranges. Okay, financial accounting number ranges. You can go here. So you can go to the interval. So here you can see the number ranges. So there you can directly assign it from the document type, and here you can go to the number ranges. Okay, now let's go back. Now here you can see this allocate document type to the transaction. Okay, so here transaction means our T codes will be there. So basically you can see there is a MIGO is a common T code, and there will be some other T codes will be there. We'll be looking into it right now. Okay, so here you can see the goods issue document type, goods issue document type, automatic movement document type, and physical inventory document type. So we'll go to goods received document type. Here you can see for which type of T code this document type WE is assigned. So these are the older T codes, MB01, 02, 03, MB1C. These are the older T codes. Right now in S4HANA current version, there will be no such MB transactions will be there. Okay. So here you will only find this MIGO T codes. Okay. So here you can see the MIGO underscore geo. This is only for the goods receipt type of goods movement. Okay, MIGO GR is basically sorry, MIGO GO is for goods movement documents, and MIGO GR is for it is for goods receipt document, and MIGO GS is basically for your subsequent adjustment document. So what are these all subsequent documents? We will be looking into it in the coming classes of inventory section. Okay, so basically here you have to add which type of document type you want to add for this one. Okay, these are basically the T codes, and these are the older T codes. Right now these T codes are not available. Okay, this MB series T codes are not available. Okay, able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's go back. So next one, here you can see same with the goods issue document type. Okay, so here you have to put for this, here you can see MIGO underscore GI. This is the goods movement, and this is the MIGO underscore TR. This is for transfer posting. Okay, so document type you have to select WA if it is not there. If some other things are maintained, you have to select this one. Now let's go back. Next one is your physical inventory document. So same with the physical inventory document also. Here you can see this is the T codes MI07, MI010, MI08, and MI010. So document type we have seen the WI will be the document type for the inventory management or physical inventory documents, right? So we have to assign that one. Okay. Now let's go back. So next one is here we can go for Next one is here we can go for define number assignment for material and physical inventory documents. Click on this one. You can go to here. Here you can go to the groups. Okay, just click on this one. So here you can see there are some groups are there. Okay, so for you can see this WA is there, and WE is there. Okay, and WI is there. So this is coming under So this is coming under one group 02, and this is coming under another group 03. Okay. Now if you want to change this one, so you can change this group also. So let's say if you want to change this one, just select this one, click on this one, and then it will ask to add you to a group. You can add it over here. Okay. So basically you can change the group. Let's say this WA WI is coming under one group, so it will be like the number ranges will be for that 02. If you go here, let's say here this is the 02 number range, so this is the 49 number range is there. Okay, so for 03 here you can see the 50 number range is there. So for that one there will be two different type of number ranges will be there. Let's say if you want to make it as a single number range, so you can keep all into one single group. Or if you want to create, let's say right now for the goods issue and for the inventory document. Yeah, Poonam.
Okay, sir. If we use the first line of number range, all number range,
Hmm.
we will receive the pop-up error message, or if we
No,
use, so
no,
we can
will not.
edit.
Yes, we can be able see what is the requirement of number range. So number range is basically you are giving a number, and the second thing is from the number range you will be able to identify what kind of document it is. Let's say you are assigning 45 series number range to the purchasing document, so anyone can see, they can say okay, this is a purchase order document. Okay, let's say if you are seeing the 50 number range, this is the 50 number range. Okay, so if someone is looking into this, they can say okay, this is a goods received document. If you are looking into this 49 series, then you can say okay, this is a goods issue document. But right now let's say the goods issue document and the inventory document will be under the same number range. But if you want to change it, let's say you want to say okay, 49 series will be only for the goods issue, 50 will be only for the goods received, and this 1000 series or 2000 series will be only for the inventory documents or physical inventory document. So likewise you can give some different number range. Okay, if you are going to give it a single number range, no issue, no problem will be there, but it will be very difficult to identify, right? The same document number will be for the goods issue, same number ranges will be for your goods issue, and same number ranges will be um, for your let's say physical inventory process. So that is why we change it, like we do the different kind of, let's say, number ranges we define to, let's say, to identify, let's say, a common person also, they can be able to identify okay, 50 number range, it is the document type for the goods issue, or let's say physical inventory, let's say 50 number range, it is for the goods receipt. Okay, so for our identification we are just changing this. If you want to take a single number range also, there is no problem. So as I was saying, so you can go to these groups. Okay, select this one WE, select this one, and go to 02. Okay, so now you can see WA, WE and WI all are coming under one group. Okay, now if I save this one, so everything will be coming under 02 number range, that is 49 series number range will be coming for them. Okay, so if you want to uh, like experiment, or you want to just try to practice, you can do this and you can practice also. Okay, I'm not
Okay,
saving
sir.
this, I'm not saving this. So now next one is, go back. Okay, now next one is, number is good, so fails. Okay, so now let's go to the settings for goods movement. Before that, okay, before that we can see this field selection for goods movement, initial or header screen. Okay, now just go here. So here you can see there are some of the field selections are there. This is for the header. Okay, so for this header list, bill of lading, collective sleeve, create delivery note. So all of these things, let's say if you want to make it required or display or hide or highlight, you can change it from here. Okay, so this is basically for the header section field selection. So if we go to, so if you go here, so this is basically the header section. So here you can see the document type, posting date. Here this is the collective slip, and this is delivery note, bill of lading, header text. So these are the header type fields are there. So if you want to change something or make it, let's say, hide or display or mandatory, you can change it from there. Okay, so you can change it from there. Now let's go back. Now next one is settings for goods movement. Okay, migo. So here you can see migo. Okay, okay, so here you can see field selection for migo. Just click on this one. So now here you can see these are the field selection for the Migo. Okay. So here you can see the base unit of measure, batch is restricted, bill of lading, create delivery. So these are some of the fields related to your Migo. So here also you can see there is item related information, reservation, lot contain this MPN material number. So these are some of the fields are there. So everything you can see it is under input. So here you can see this is under hide plant. Okay, so anything is under a hide or anything, so you can check it or you can change it. Okay, as per your requirement you can do the selection from here. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Now let's go back. So now next one is field selection for movement type. So here you can, based on the movement type also, here you can do some of the field selection. So basically here you can see this is for the 101 movement type. There is some field names are there. For 102 there are some field names are there. For 103 there are some field names are there. So you can do some of the, like all of these things you can see there are optional entry. If you want to make it as a required entry, you can change it from here. Okay, so based on the let's say movement type also you can do some of the changes. Okay, now let's go back. Next one is settings for transaction and reference documents. So here you can see these are the T code we have seen where we have assigned the document type, right? MIGO, MIGO underscore GI. So basically this is MIGO will contain all of the T codes. Okay, so if you select this one, if you go to the transaction event, here you can see what is available. Here you can see these are the actions. Okay, so if you go to, so if you go here, here you can see these are the transaction. Here you can see the goods received, return delivery, cancellation, display, release, GR block stock, subsequent delivery, goods issue, transfer posting, remove from storage, place in storage, subsequent adjustment, change. So these are the functionalities available. Okay, we have, we are here in the MIGO screen. So here you can see these things are available. Okay, so these things are available. So here you can see also these things, what kind of actions are available. So every action is available over here. Okay, if I see the MIGO, now let's go back. If I select this MIGO underscore GI and I go to the transaction and event, here you can see only the issue related transactions are available. Here you can see only the cancellation, display is there, goods issue is there, remove from storage is there. Other than that, there is no functions are selected or no function have been maintained for this transaction. So if you are going to give this transaction code or T code assigned to some of your user, they will be only able to do the transaction related to goods issue. So in the warehouse or in the storage locations, what will happen? So there will be some, let's say, inventory persons or inventory manager or anyone will be there. So there will be, let's say, some people they are only they need to work in the let's say issuing section. Okay, goods issue section, they are going to work. So they will only issue the material. Let's say the other department will be there or other person will be there, they will be working on the only on the let's say goods receipt part. So you can select this one and you can go to the transaction event. Here you can see goods receipt, return delivery, cancellation, display, release GR block stock, subsequent delivery, place in storage. So these are all related to your goods receipt process. Okay, these are all selected. So if you go back and again if you see this MIGO underscore geo, okay, go to transaction event key. Here you can see goods receipt, return delivery, cancellation, display. Only this much of things are selected. No subsequent adjustment, no place in storage. Here you can see no goods subsequent delivery, these are not selected. So MIGO underscore geo will be only for this one. Okay, so basically these are the transactions have been created based on the type of, like what kind of profile will be there, user profile. Based on the user profile it is created. So some user profile or some users will be working on the only on the goods issue side, or only in the goods receipt type, or only in the transport transfer request side. So here you can see MIGO underscore TR. If you go here, you can see only the transfer. Here you can see the cancellation, display, and transfer posting related actions have been selected. So if there will be any manager kind of people will be there, he will be given this T code access. If there is any kind of inventory person will be there who is only working for the goods receipt, so they will be given this MIGO underscore GR. If anyone is working on for only for the goods issue, they will be given this T code access. Okay, able to understand my point? Able to
Yes, sir.
understand my point? Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically these are the user related T code settings are there. So based on the user work profile you have to give, or you can ask the security team or basis team to give this like this access to the user. Okay, let's go back now. Next one is, here we can go to mm, is it there? Directly it is for me. Okay, so if you are practicing in the ECC server, so there basically you will be finding two types of settings. Okay, one you can find settings for goods movement Migo, or there it can say like enjoy transactions. Okay, settings for enjoy transactions, goods movement Migo, and there will be you can see one more settings for goods movement. So that is basically for your that MB type of transactions we have seen, right? So that is basically for that one. Okay, so MB type of settings you can find from the goods movement, and there will be a Migo settings will be there. So if you are using a ECC version, then you have to see for the Migo settings. Okay, don't go for the older transactions, go for the Migo settings. There will be enjoy transactions will be mentioned over there. Okay, so now next one we can go for goods receipt. Okay, okay, so first thing here in the Miko, we can see the tolerance limit. First thing you can see there is a tolerance limit is there. So here, as per your company code, you can set a tolerance limit like we'll go to Okay, so there is no tolerance limit is there. So no problem. Okay, so here you can see there are some type of tolerance keys are there. Here you can see B1, B2, B3. This B1 is basically order quantity, order price quantity variance. This is for GR. This is for the error message. And there will be B2 order quantity variance for warning message. And there will be moving average price variance. Okay. So you can check what are the price variances are there and what kind of tolerance limit will be there. Okay. Just select on you can select this one. Okay, now we'll go back, and next one is here you can see define screen layout. Okay, okay, so basically here you can see based on the movement type there are some special stock indicator are there. Okay, let's say for our thing is something is there. Okay, so not much relevant for right now, but here you can see there are some initial stock entry are there. 561 movement type is there. So here you can enter like special stock is there, customer stock, subcontracting stock, order on hand, subcontracting customer order stock. So these are some of the special type of indicators are there. These are the special indicator. Okay, so B is for customer stock, C is for B is for customer stock, C is for subcontracting customer stock, E is for orders on hand. This is basically related to your sales order stock. Okay, so F is for subcontracting customer order stock. Okay, these are some of the special indicator. Okay, when you are going to here, you can see this is a goods receipt. This is a this is the movement type, and here you can see this is a special indicator. So if there is any kind of special indicator you want to take, you can take it from here. But 101, there is no special indicator is mentioned over here, so there will be no special indicator for 101 moment type. Okay, now we'll go back. So next one is here you can see there is a GR based indicator, reversal of GR despite invoice. So what is this one? So basically what will happen if you are doing the goods receipt. Okay, let's say you are having a purchase order, you are doing a goods receipt. After that, what is happening, let's say after the goods receipt you think that okay, this goods receipt has been done by mistake, or this goods receipt is wrong, so I have to reverse or cancel this document. Okay, so in SAP what is the process of changing or canceling the document? So basically once you are doing the goods receipt, then you have to enter the invoice receipt. Then once the invoice receipt is done, okay, after the invoice receipt is done, then you have to cancel the invoice. Then you have to come to the goods receipt and you have to cancel this. Able to understand?
Can you please repeat it
Repeat
once?
once
Yeah,
again.
yeah, just a second. Where is that? Okay. So what is the process? Basically, you are creating a purchase order, then you are creating a goods receipt, then you are creating a invoice receipt. Okay. Now, if you want to reverse this, okay, after this goods receipt, let's say the invoice receipt is not done and you want to cancel this goods receipt. Now, this is not possible in the standard process, it is not possible. So what is the process? You have to go for the invoice receipt. Here this is the, we will say, posting process. Okay, If we go for the reversal process, if we go to the reversal process, then we have to cancel the IR first, then we have to cancel the GR, then we can cancel the purchase order. We'll not go to the purchase order, but we can go for the till we can go to the goods receipt. First you have to cancel the invoice receipt, then you have to cancel the goods receipt. Now in this process, let's say your invoice receipt is not done and you want to cancel the GR. Okay, is that possible? No, that is not possible in the standard process. If you want to cancel this one, let's say if you want to do this process, let's say I want to do, I want to cancel the goods receipt. If there is no invoice receipt is posted also, I want to cancel this. How I will be canceling? I will be selecting this. Okay, just click on this one. So here you can see for the 102 moment type, for 102, 106, 108, 122, 162. These are some of the return documents are there or reversal documents are there. So now if you select this indicator, reverse GR despite IR, means IR is not there, you want to cancel the goods movement or you want to do the reversal of the goods movement, you will be able to do it if you are, if you select this checkbox over here. Okay, but again what will be the process? Once you are canceling this, invoice needs to be done and invoice needs to be cancelled after that one. So it is not like that one that you have done the GR and again you are reversing that one and there will be no invoicing document will be there. Definitely you have to enter a invoice and cancel the invoice afterwards, but you will be able to do the GR reversal. Okay, unless you are selecting this one. If you are not selecting this one, then if you are going for a cancellation or reversal of your goods your goods movement document, then system will throw a error. Okay, that there will be subsequent document or invoicing documents are not yet cancelled, or it will be giving you some error messages. Okay, able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any questions, any queries till now?
Sir, can we do it once?
Okay, so let's say purchase order. Do we have a purchase order? Hmm, let's see if we have. Okay, we have. Around 69p. Let's see what kind of purchase documents are there. Okay, so here you can see there are some. This is a purchase order for which we are doing the goods receipt. Let's do this one, and we will click on check, and we'll post this one. GL account. Okay. Okay. So maybe we can see it in the next class. Okay, for our company code only we can see, because we're not sure what are other settings are there for the other company codes. So some entries are missing for our company code. So tomorrow we will be looking into that. Okay. So basically we can go for a goods receipt, then we can go for a cancellation. So here you can enter the purchase order. Okay. The same purchase order you can so first you can enter the purchase order, select the, here the goods system movement type will be selected as 101 by default. Okay, once you are checking this and you are posting this, so once you can select this item, okay, and you can click on post. Okay, then you will be there will be a document type will be generating. Okay, after that you can enter the same purchase order number and here just select the movement type as 102. Okay, hit enter as 102, gr for reversal, then you can check and you can post this document. While you are posting, there will be a error message will be coming. Okay, so this some entry is missing for this one, so we will be looking into it tomorrow. Okay.